Hello everybody. Well, this is an unusual start to one of my videos, but this is my last drive into work. So I figured I'd bring you along on my last morning that I have to actually show up to my job. And a lot of people want to know, where did I work? And you will see that here in a few minutes. So just take a little drive and get this last day over with. Well, we're almost here, and you will find out where I've been working for the past 24 years. Well, the secret's over. Everybody knows where I work now, so, or have worked. So, yeah, this will be the last time I punch in. And today we're planning on starting on that metal for the roof. We actually got the metal, so that came in on Monday. Come in late, so we didn't get a chance to start anything. And so I just figured I'd bring you along for this last little ride, and hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you at the sawmill, and we'll be putting some metal on the roof. Well, I am back from work, and I told you we'd be starting to work on this tin.
It's time.
And it is going to be like 86 or 87 today.
Yeah.
And also, I'd like to really thank everybody that gave us the super thanks.
Oh, it's so greatly appreciated.
It really helped pay for this damage, and the tin did come on Monday.
Yeah.
As we told you, but
week turned into 4, but
yeah, but hey, it's here, and we're going to get this thing dried in as far as we can today. And there's no rain until Thursday afternoon, so we got some time to get this really moving. So let's get rolling.
This is going to be getting it done.
Well, yeah, the first step here is Eddie's putting some of them 3.5-inch construction screws down in the truss, which we told everybody that we are definitely putting them in. And them nails have now had a chance to really rust in, so it's not going nowhere. And then we're going to start and try to get over to at least to where we're somewhere in the over top of Chewy, and then if it does pour down rain, we're not no big emergency then. So it's coming along, everybody. ready to wrap her up for this video, and we got a lot done today. And just us, Eddie and I. And the good news is this has just been working out good, walking down the sea container roof here. And that's our new scaffolding here, so we don't need ladders on the ground. The hand sheets up, so this is actually faster than it originally went up. But you can see where we're at inside the building here. So really the log deck is undercover now. Chewy's nice and dry. And one more day, we should be able to get over top of their band mill and get this project wrapped up. So we'll catch you here at the end of the video. Well, that's what we got accomplished for today. And the good news is we actually would need lights to saw again. And the blade is out of the weather. The conveyor belt's out of the weather. Mr. Laser, Chewy, the whole cab, the whole bus motor. So it's just a warm one today. And
It's hot. It's not
yeah,
warm. It's hot.
It's hot. And here's the screws we've been using. We've been screwing them purlins down, so everybody's been asking. Well, you got your answer. And the regular screws with the gaskets. And Eddie's, it's like Mr. Rogers changing his shoes. There it is.
That's the only thing this has ever been used for, is walking on tin roof.
Yeah.
And they stick like glue.
You were like a fly when you're up there.
You're like a fly.
Yep.
Yeah.
So we got, I don't know, a dozen sheets down, something like that. And
It's just getting where you can't even hold on to tins, too hot.
it's getting a little bit too warm, so it's not going to rain for another day. So we got pretty much another dry day until in the afternoon, which it's going to be too hot then anyhow. So
Yeah.
we'll get her under roof here maybe tomorrow. But I just want to make you a random video and show you what we're doing. Everybody's been asking about the tin. Did you get the tin? Well, you got the answer today. We got the tin.
We got it.
And we're putting it up. And again, thanks to everybody that give us super thankses. You really helped this project along.
It means a lot to us.
And yeah, it's just been very supportive with people. And just trying to bring you along. We didn't do too much filming, but at the end of this, there'll be a slideshow to give you the progression of what we got done today. So, hey, thanks again for coming along. And we'll catch you on the next one when we're probably finishing up the roof or sawing something or splitting firewood.
We'll be doing something.
We'll be doing something. All right, again. All right, bye-bye.